Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. This is Umar with you. Hope you are all doing great. Today is 14th of March and today we made a good loss. In fact, we made a loss of around 2.89%. And the reason is, you might be wondering why the market was very calm. It was not moving. In fact, it was not moving more than 200 points. And why should we make a loss, right? It's okay. See, that's what I say quite often, right? Losses are inevitable. You cannot avoid the losses. What we can try to do is we can try to reduce the losses. So that's what we have done. Had we not had some good hedges, our losses would have been very huge, right? So we'll talk about that. We'll talk what is happening in terms of Nifty, what is happening in terms of Banknifty. And in terms of Nifty, if you had watched our video yesterday, I told clearly 22,000 is very strong. In fact, I am saying this for more than 1 week that 22,000 will sustain, or 22,000 is a very good support. Now markets are likely to go and touch 22,500, right? Next level is 22,500. Now in yesterday's video we told it is very important for Nifty to sustain above 22,000, and that is what has happened. So today Nifty, bears were trying to pull Nifty below 22,000, but we were very fortunate. It has closed above 22,000. So that's a good news in terms of market. Now what might happen is we have a very strong resistance at, I wouldn't say strong resistance, good resistance around 22,000, 22,500, right? 22,500. So we might see around 22,500 levels in the coming days, and even if we sustain 22,500, we might even touch maybe 22,800 or even 23,000, right? That's really a whole different thing. We'll have to wait and see how global cues pan out. And in terms of global market, I can tell you as I talk to you, Dow futures, the S&P, Nasdaq, everything is in the green, right? So if you can see here, it is evident that Dow future is up by 128 points, S&P, Nasdaq, everything is in the green, and also European markets are all in the green. So the likelihood of market going on the higher side is very high. For now, I'm talking for this week, maybe another 5 or 10 days, we might be going on the higher side. So even if market comes, let's say there is any negative news or any bad news, we will sustain 22,000 in terms of Nifty is my perspective. So we'll see how things work out. So this is Nifty, and tomorrow we have a Sensex expiry, and this is Banknifty chart. And if you remember Banknifty, I told we will sustain 45,500. So if you see our earlier videos, we have told 45,500 is very strong support, and we might go on the higher side. So this is the hourly chart. So we are seeing support at around how much? 46,500, right? 46,500. So this is today's price action. Let me change this to a 5 minutes chart so that you can understand what I am trying to say. So this is the 5 minutes chart of Banknifty, right? So Banknifty, and you can see here all day long it was trying to sustain above 46,500. So where might we go, right? That is the next question. If we go, we will see somewhere around 47,500 levels in Banknifty. So global cues are all positive. Whatever came in terms of global inflation data, whether it is inflation data month on month, inflation data year on year, so it is all history now. We will have to wait till March 20th for Federal Reserve to come out and say whether they are going to increase the interest rate, or they are not going to pause the interest rate, or they are not going to decrease the interest rate. But I am sure they are likely to maybe pause or give a positive statement or negative statement. So that is very important in terms of US market. Whether they are increasing or decreasing or pausing the interest rate is not important. Whether what Jerome Powell is going to tell is very important. Whether he is going to give a hawkish statement, whether he is going to give a dovish statement. So that is very important. So make sure make sure you watch that event so that you get an idea of what is happening. And till March 20th, we don't see any positive or negative news in terms of global market. I'm not talking about local cues. See, we have elections coming up, and election commission can come out with days, and that can create any knee-jerk reaction in the market. In the market, so we'll have to wait and see what they are coming out with, what is going to happen. So it is only local cues which might create some knee-jerk reaction. Otherwise, globally, everything is fine, I believe, right? And in terms of our market, sorry, our trade, we post in our Telegram channel or in our YouTube community post, we made a loss of around 89,550 rupees, right? So the main reason for this loss is because we have a system, and we have a system based trading. And I'll tell you, this is the 5-minute chart of Nifty, and this candle, this 3 15 minutes candle, 5 10 15 minutes, right? All three candle dented made us big losses, right? So you might think, why, what is the problem? It has not moved so much. It has moved from only 22,100 till 22,150, right? Just 100 and maybe 50 or 60 points movement in Nifty. And what is the problem? You are correct, right? To an extent you are right, but when it comes to expiry day trades, when you are playing with huge volumes, you tend to see your MTM fluctuating. And this will, if you have traded expiry days, you will understand what is happening here, right? So market moving 100, not even 100, you forget 100 or 150 points, even if it moves 20 or 30 points, gamma effect will come and kick in, and you will feel the gamma effect, right? Still, I'm saying, still we try to manage, and we ended up in a loss of around 89,000. That's around 2.89%. Still we are sitting in a profit of let me show you this one so that you can understand. Still we are sitting in a profit of around 10.89%, right? Around 10.89%. So we'll see how things work out. We have another 9 days of expiry. Tomorrow is Sensex expiry. Next week also we have 5 days of expiry. So there are lots of things we can do. There are lots of opportunity. Every day is an opportunity. Because we are losing today, it doesn't mean we will lose tomorrow also. Or because we are winning continuously, it doesn't mean we will win continuously also, right? So losses are inevitable. If I am telling to you that I will make profits every day, then you have to remember I'm just lying, or I'm just bluffing, or I'm trying to upsell some premium content to you. So that's that's the thing which is happening in social media. I'm sure if you are in social media, if you are in Twitter, you might know what is happening, right? So we have made a loss. That's what we have made a loss today. We made a loss of 89,000. And people ask, where is the verified PNL? Where is the verified PNL? I don't understand. Why do you need verified PNL? Because some company is giving you verified PNL, or because you subscribers need verified PNL. I cannot come out of my broker, right? My broker is giving me what I want. My broker is giving all the facility what I want. So why should I go and change my broker because somebody is giving verified PNL, right? So I'm not interested in verified PNL. So if you want, we will have a Zoom meeting, and I will give you the backend password, backend credentials. You can log in yourself and you can check yourself, right? There is no denial about it. My doors are open. You can come anytime and check what we have done, right? That's about it, right? So we'll see how things work out for in terms of market. So there is no positive or negative news in the market. Markets are stable, and the likelihood of going higher side is very, very high. Maybe 22,500 in terms of Nifty, and in terms of Banknifty. Let me go to the Banknifty chart. In terms of Banknifty, maybe we will touch 47,000 or even 47,500, right? We are sitting somewhere around 46,800, 47,000 or even 47,500, and this all will happen between today and March 20th. So March 20th is very important day. We will see how US market comes out, how what they are doing, and I have told about the US market as well. US markets are all in the green, I think. Yeah, US future, as I talk to you, US future is up by 150 points. S&P, Nasdaq, everything is on the higher side. So we'll see how things work out. Do some non-directional strategy. India VIX has dropped significantly, so you might have some idea of doing non-directional strategy, whether it is straddle or strangle, which will make you good money till March 20th, right? Maybe you can do weekly options in Nifty or Banknifty, and of course that's a disclaimer, you will have to do it at your own risk and responsibility. I hope I have summarized everything. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Till then, take care. Bye.